Yeah, so this is the second part. This is dealing with the area of a parallelogram. So if you remember the area, the formula, the area for a parallelogram is going to be base times my height. So I have my base, right? We know our base is 5.5, and our height, that's what we're trying to figure out. Okay. So the first thing, so we do have to use this little trick, I guess. Should really work on my triangles. Okay. So if you have a triangle like this, and this is here is 90 degrees, right? That's 90. This is 30. And that's 60 degrees. Right. This value here is going to be A. This here is going to be 2 times A. And then here's going to be A times the square root of 3. And why does that help us? Well, because this is a 60, 30, 90. Or 60, 90, 30, right? If you look at this triangle right here, this is a 60. This here is going to be a 90 because of the right angle. And a 30. So these two triangles are similar. Okay? We have 60, 60, 30, 30, and then 90 and 90. Now, if you notice here, we want to find out this height here. Well, this height here, this portion right there actually is this one right here. How do we know that? Well, if you look at here, between the 60 and the 90 degree mark, we have that A. So the 60 and the 90 degree mark, we're going to have A here. And then this part here, between the 30 and the 90, the 30 and the 90, we have A times the square root of 3. And then between the 60 and the 30, we have 2A. So this 4 actually represents 2A. So what does that mean? That means that 4 equals 2A. Okay. Now this is really simple. So we need to find what A is, right? So 2 times what gives me 4? Well, 2. Right? So that means that A equals 2. So that means that this number right here is going to be 2. Okay? Since this is A, and A equals 2. Okay? Now to find out this part here, well, what is A? We have here that A times the square root of 3. Well, we know that A is equal to 2, so we're going to have 2 times the square root of 3. And if you type this into the calculator, you should get that it equals about 3.46. So the height here is actually about, and we're rounding, 3.46. Now you are going to have to use one of these, this problem here, or this thing, on problem number 5 on your worksheets. Just an FYI. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this since we got our height already. Okay, and now this becomes really simple, right? So the area of the perimeter is base times height. Well, my base is 5.5, right? Which is all of this from here to here is 5.5 because of that right there. So we have 5.5 times my height, which is 3.46. Okay, and just go ahead and multiply that out. Let's see how that works if I multiply it out. 5.5 times, backwards. Use my handy dandy calculator. Computer calculator. So we have 5.5 times my height, which is 3.46. 3.46. That's about 19.03. So my area for the parallelogram is going to be 19.03. Okay, and that's it. That's how you work that one out, guys.